Hi YouTube, I'm back and I am down to the fourth part of my hair care regimen, and it's pretty much the same as before. Once again, this is my leave-in that I use, still the same mix. I'm not sure if you all are familiar with Kimmy Tube, but some years ago, she made her own leave-in conditioner with the Kinky Curly Knot Today, and she added aloe vera juice, which was the key thing. She added equal parts, and I'll put the original recipe that she had up here and my recipe also. But instead of using Kinky Curly Knot Today, I use, and it's over here. Excuse the noise if you hear any. The Shea Moisture Raw Shea Butter Restorative Conditioner for, there you go, dry and damaged hair. So what I do, I used to measure it, but I don't anymore. I just pour and then just mix, and I make the consistency as I like it. But I'll give you the exact recipe when I started out using it. So it's still some in here, but I'm going to add a little bit more. So her recommendation was to put equal parts aloe vera juice, but I found that that was like a little bit too runny for me. So you probably can't see that. I would do like 2-part 1. So 2 parts conditioner to maybe 1 part of aloe vera juice. This is my aloe vera juice right here. It was $3.49. Kroger in the RDU area went out of business, so a lot of their natural hair stuff and aloe vera juice was on sale for very good prices, like the onion handmade, and they were like 75% off. And so my husband bought some for me for like $3. And that's where I got that Manuka honey oil shampoo from. I said, I'm going to try, well, it was a conditioner first. Then I got the shampoo from Walmart. And I just pour some aloe vera juice in it. I also put in jojoba oil, sometimes castor oil. Oh, I'm moving my camera. And let's see. I always have my 3 favorites, my tea tree, lavender, and rosemary. And then I may put like lemon essential oil and lime essential oil, something to give it a smell, or orange essential oil. So I'm going to get, well, here's my jojoba right here. So I just pour it in as I see fit. I don't even measure anymore. I don't feel like it. Hold on a minute. Okay, put a little bit of castor in there. I'll put this castor oil in there, but as I told you, I have my Jamaican black castor oil, which is a completely different smell, but it's a strong smell, so I don't want that in my leave-in. Some castor oil in there, and let's see. Here's my rosemary. Maybe about I put 10 drops. If that's too much, so well. My lavender. All right. Oh, I can't find my tea tree. Interesting. Let's go ahead and put the lemon. I don't even know how much that was. And then to mix it, I have little baby spoons from the dollar store. They're so handy. You can rewash them. I just mix till it all gets mixed in together. And it's this consistency. Yeah. So now I have found that, which I said in some video years ago, was that when I keep the plastic cap over my head, it keeps my hair from drying out. Also, if you don't want to use a plastic cap, just keep your hair twisted like this, and it'll keep the main part from drying out. But this part will dry out though. So anyway, I'll take out one section. I'm gonna take out like 2 and put them together. Oh, my hair's still kind of wet. Well, it is wet, but it's like dripping wet. Okay, I'm just gonna take my hands to it. I don't want it dripping wet, but I like for it still to be pretty damp. Okay, and then I just take the leave-in and just work my way up. I have found that with my hair, right after I do the conditioner, to do the leave-in conditioner. When I do it this way, deep condition, leave in, and then put light oil on top of that, my hair feels so soft. If I go outside of that order, my hair feels weird. Like if I do a conditioner and then put oil on it and then a leave in, it feels dry. This doesn't feel right. So I do the conditioner and I put the leave in on top. And I have used conditioners right out of their containers, but I find that when I add that extra aloe vera juice, it pushes things up a notch. Makes my hair feel really good. All right, and that's how I basically do my hair. I do the leave-in, and then I style it as need be. I'm probably gonna come back and do a quick hair tutorial, something that is gonna just hopefully last me through the week. It's gonna be my always go-to hairstyle, which is one of the ones I believe I did when I said, where have I been video and what has been happening in my life. But yes, this is a leave-in that I use on my hair, and when I need to re-moisturize my hair during the week, I'll spritz it with my water and aloe vera juice, and then I'll add the leave-in on top. And then I may put an oil on it, but I will tell you that I really like the onion handmade burnt sugar pomade as a after I put the oil on, like a thickish kind of butter on top of my hair, but very light, very light. I don't do a lot of it because too much makes my hair feel, it doesn't feel as good as it does when I just have that leave-in up there. Okay, and then I just take it, wrap it back around, and then I go to the next section. And sometimes I may comb through my hair, but not until I have like all my leave-in in. Or sometimes I may do one at a time. Okay, I'll be back with the hairstyling and finishing up. Thank you.